If I open my Bluetooth setting, you can see that there is no Bluetooth option there because the Bluetooth driver is missing or something else. So let's solve it. Step number 1 is troubleshoot setting. To do this, search for troubleshoot setting. Open it. After opening it, open the additional troubleshoot. In the additional troubleshoot, search for Bluetooth and run the troubleshoot. It will detect any problem you have. After the troubleshoot is run, you can see that it has detected the problem. Step number 2 is services setting. To do this, search for services. It will open the services. Now in the services, in the B section, search for Bluetooth service. You will find the Bluetooth service. Now open its property and set it automatic there. Now restart the service. Now the other Bluetooth service, do the same stuff with that also. Open its property and make it as automatic. Also restart that service. Again restart that service. Then restart your PC to apply the changes. Now the link I have given in the pinned comment. You just click on that link and this word type interface will be opened. On this interface, you can download the Bluetooth driver. Once you have downloaded it, you can see that it has started downloading. I will not download it because I have already downloaded it. So I will install the driver by opening its location in the download folder. Now I will install that driver from its setup. Just accept all the agreements. It will prepare to install and now it will start installing. Wait for it to install. Now it will be installed. You can see that when you open your device manager, the Bluetooth driver is now there. Finally, our problem is solved. Update that driver. Now if we open our Bluetooth and other device setting, you can see that the Bluetooth option will be available here. There it is. So our problem is solved. So if you like the video, like, thumbs up for this video and also subscribe.